What's up YouTube, back here with another video, and today we are going to get to the winner of the t-shirt from the Butterfly Butter Whisk video that I made about a week or so ago. The contest ended Friday. It is Sunday. I'm making the video now, and here is your winner, Ron Ralph's son. He's interested in people's workspaces. I know in the camera it looks good, but when you go outside of that camera view, oh boy, watch out. So yeah, XL t-shirt coming your way. Maybe some other odds and ends might find their way in the box. Some goodies. Hey yo, you never know. I appreciate the views. All right. Thanks for watching as always. And you have a week to send me a message through YouTube so I can verify that it's you. Send me a message. You got a week until next Sunday. I believe it's the 17th. And yeah, that's that. Congratulations, you're the winner. Please send me a message on YouTube. You got a week. I'll check it every day. Thanks for watching. See you. Oh, and stay tuned for the 1,000 subs giveaway. If you haven't subbed, do so and check that video out. I'll put the card right here. For that, I'm getting close to 1,000 subs. Here we go. Cross my fingers. All right, there you go. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.